Biology Chapter 9 Biomolecules of Class 11. Biomicromolecules Lipids. Lipids are generally water soluble. They could be simple fatty acids. It contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, but number of oxygen atoms is less. There are different types of lipids such as simple lipids, compound lipids and derived lipids. Simple lipids. A fatty acid has a carboxyl group attached to an R group. The R group could be a methyl CH3 or ethyl C2H5 or a higher number of CH2 group 1 carbon to 19 carbon. For example, palmitic acid has 16 carbon including carboxyl carbon CH3CH2 whole 14 COOH or C15H31COOH. Arachidonic acid has 20 carbon atoms including the carboxyl carbon. Fatty acids are lipid with a hydrocarbon chain R group ending in COOH group, that is RCOH. There are two types of fatty acids. Fatty acids could be saturated without double bond or unsaturated with one or more C double bond. Saturated fatty acids, they have no double bond or triple bond between carbon atoms. For example, palmitic acid, stearic acid. Unsaturated fatty acid has one or more carbon bond. For example, oleic acid or arachidonic acid. Another simple lipid is glycerol, which is trihydroxypropane. Many lipids have both glycerol and fatty acids. Here fatty acids are esterified with glycerol. They can be then monoglyceride, diglyceride and triglyceride. One glycerol plus one fatty acid gives monoglyceride. One glycerol plus two fatty acids gives diglyceride and one glycerol plus three fatty acids gives triglyceride. These are also called fats and oils based on melting point. Fats high melting point and oils have lower melting points. Oil have lower melting point, for example, gingerly oil, and hence remain as oil in winter. Compound lipids. Some lipids have phosphorus and phosphorylated organic compound in them. These are phospholipids. They are found in cell membrane. Lecithin is one example. Some tissues, especially the neural tissues, have lipids with more complex structure. Derived lipids. These are the product of hydrolysis of simple lipids and compound lipids. For example, cholesterol. Sugars. Living organisms have a number of carbon compounds in which heterocyclic rings can be found. Sugars are sweet and water-soluble carbohydrates. They are formed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio of 1:2:1. For example, glucose, ribose, etc. Some of these nitrogen bases, nitrogen containing cyclic compound found in nucleic acid. They are classified as follows. Nitrogen bases are classified in two types, purines and pyrimidines. Pyrimidines are further classified in three types, while purines are of two types. Adenine and guanine are purines, while cytosine, thymine, and uracil are pyrimidines. These are the compounds found by linking of nitrogen base with sugar. Nitrogen base plus sugar gives nucleoside. Adenosine, guanosine, thymidine, uridine, and cytidine are nucleosides. These are the compounds formed by linking of nucleoside nitrogen base plus sugar with a phosphate. Nitrogen base plus sugar plus phosphate gives nucleotide. Adenalic acid, thymidalic acid, guanilic acid, uridalic acid, and cytidalic acid are nucleotides. Nucleotides. Nucleotides are heterocyclic compounds. Nucleic acid like DNA and RNA consist of nucleotides only. DNA and RNA functions as generical material. Metabolism. The most exciting aspect of chemistry deals with isolating thousands of compounds, small and big, from living organisms, determining their structure and if possible synthesizing them. All the biochemical reactions taking place inside a living system together constitute metabolism. For example, removal of carbon dioxide from amino acid to form amine, removal of amino group in a nucleotide base, hydrolysis of a glycosidic bond. In the list of biomolecules, thousands of organic compounds including amino acids, sugars are found. These biomolecules are called metabolites. The intermediate products of metabolic reactions are also called metabolites. Flow of metabolites in metabolic pathway has a definite rate and direction like automobile traffic. This metabolite flow is called dynamic state of body constituent. Metabolites are of two types, primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. In animal tissue, organic compounds with low molecular weight are found. They are called primary metabolites. If one analyzes the plant, fungal and microbial cells, thousands of other components are found. For example, alkaloids, flavonoids, rubber, essential oil, antibiotics, color pigments, scent, gums, spices, etc. These are called secondary metabolites. Primary metabolites have identifiable functions in physiological processes necessary for life. For example, amino acids, sugars, nucleic acid, lipids, vitamins, etc. While secondary metabolites, they are not directly involved in normal growth, development or reproduction. They are found in plants, fungal and microbial cells. Some examples of secondary metabolites: pigments. Some secondary metabolites which are found in form of pigments such as carotenoids, anthocyanins, morphine, codeine are obtained from opium. Terpenoids, monoterpines, diterpines, while essential oils are found in lemongrass oil. Arbin is obtained from rosemary pea and ricin is obtained from Ricinus communicus, that is castor seeds. They possess toxins. while lectins are found in concavenin A, which obtains from Cannabilis ensiferum, that is jack beans. Vinblastine and vincristine are obtained from Vinca rosea, and curcumin is obtained from turmeric. They are drugs, while polymeric substances such as rubber, gums, or cellulose are there. Metabolic pathway. These are the series of linked multi-step chemical reaction in metabolism. We do not at the moment understand the role of the function of all the secondary metabolites in the host organism. Primary metabolites have identifiable function and play known role in normal physiological process. Many of secondary metabolites are useful to human welfare. For example, rubber, drugs, spices, scent and pigments. Some secondary metabolites have ecological importance. Types of metabolic pathways. Anabolic, which is also known as a biosynthetic, and catabolic. Anabolic pathway. Simpler molecules form complex structure, constructive progress, while catabolic pathway, complex molecule become simple structure, which is also called destructive process. Energy is consumed in anabolic pathway while energy is released in catabolic pathway. Examples of anabolic pathway are acetic acid to cholesterol, amino acid, proteins, photosynthesis, etc. While examples of catabolic pathway are glucose to lactic acid, glycolysis, and respiration. The energy released through catabolism is stored in the form of chemical bonds. When needed, this bond energy is utilized for biosynthesis, osmotic and mechanical work. The most important energy currency in living system is the bond energy in adenosine triphosphate ATP. Another